In this video, I will show you step by step how to link your Steam account to your Epic Games account. So I'll show you how to connect your Steam account with your Epic Games account so you can access supported games and features more easily. This is very useful to do if you want to connect your gaming accounts, play supported Epic Games titles through Steam, or manage your linked accounts all in one place. If this video helps you out today, then please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more Steam tutorials, Epic Games tips, and simple gaming guides. So you can see I'm currently on Steam and I'm currently logged in. Once you've done that, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and just Google search for Epic Games login. Now what you need to do is click onto the top result. So this should take you to the official website, which is epicgames.com/id/login. From here, sign into your Epic Games account with your linked email, or if you want to link a console account, you can do that. And there's also some third-party ways to sign in as well. Once you've signed in, you should be taken to your account settings page. If you're not, just come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile name up here, and then come and click onto account. Once you're in your account settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto linked accounts. And from here, you should see the Steam logo here. Now, mine's not shown because I've actually already linked my accounts. As you can see in the Your Linked Account section, my Steam account is currently linked here. However, if it's not, then what you're going to want to do is click onto the Steam logo from here, where it says link an account, and then follow the steps to successfully link your Steam account with your Epic Games account. So that's how to link Steam to Epic Games. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Steam, Epic Games, and simple tech guides. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.